In this short tutorial, you will learn how to enable the Flip to Silence ringer feature on a Samsung phone. This nifty tool allows you to quickly and easily silence your phone by simply flipping it over. It's especially handy when you're in a meeting, at the movies, or anywhere else where you need your phone to be silent. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down until you see an option called Advanced Features. Tap on it. After that, tap Motions and Gestures. And now you'll see an option called Mute with Gestures. Mute incoming calls and alarms by putting your hand over the screen or turning your phone face down. To enable this feature, simply toggle on this switch over here. Now, when you receive an incoming call, you can simply flip your phone, and the ringer will be silenced. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.